Hey friends, so I decided to share a client's makeup that I did on this day. This day I did about 3 faces. And I'm just really, trying to show you what it is that I be doing. I've been doing makeup for about 9 years, and it's just gotten the hype that it deserves, I guess, or whatever. I'm self-taught. I taught myself, but I am currently working on some things that I really can't really speak on too much, but just know that Beauty by Facial D plans on growing. Makeup won't be the only thing that I'll be servicing now. But this right here is just, she wanted a red lip, and she was like, I can do, whatever on her eyes as long as her lips were red. So we're going for more of a like modern pinup type of eyeshadow look. It's gonna be more on the brown tones. And yeah, you got it. So like I was saying, y'all, it's gonna be brown tones to pretty much match her eyes. And I'm just going in with a natural eyeshadow palette that I have, and it's gonna create this awesome eye makeup. So just stay tuned and keep on watching.
is bomb as F. Oh my god. I don't even look like myself. Oh, I love it.
Yay!
I absolutely love it. Oh, I'm gonna be popping.
You already popped.